A desert is a about desert. A desert is a region that receives an extremely low amount of rainfall and is unable to support vegetation. Some believe a desert to be a hot, barren place with sand dunes, the cactus. However, if you think that all deserts are sandy and hot, then you are wrong. There are deserts in Antarctica and on the ice caps of Greenland, which are never hot. Hence, deserts can be classified into two types: hot desert and cold desert.
Soumya,
Hot desert.
Soumya, hot desert, Sahara Desert. About the Sahara Desert, page number 204. You have to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Hot desert, the
The
Sahara Desert.
Sahara Desert. Look,
हाँ,
yes, ma'am. About the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert, located in northern part of Africa, is the largest hot desert of the world. Since the Sahara Desert makes up nearly 10% of the African continent, it is also sometimes referred to as the Great Desert. Compare the area of your own country with this desert. The area of India is about 3.2 million square kilometers, while that of the Sahara is 8.54 million square kilometers. Hence, the Sahara Desert is more than double the size of India. Find out how big the desert is.
okay, Shraddha, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, as well as the equator pass through this continent. The Sahara Desert is located between latitude 0 degree and 30 degree north. It is bounded by the Red Sea in the east, Atlantic Ocean is the west, and Mediterranean Sea is in the north. The Sahara covers part of several African nations, including Algeria, Chad, मम्मी क्या है?
Card.
Cad, Egbert, Libya, Mali,
Marunita.
Maur,
Marunita.
Marunita, Morocco, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, and Tunisia. The only permanent river in the desert is the Nile that flow from Central Africa to the Mediterranean Sea.
Okay, okay,
Most of,
okay. So here it is telling that from where which latitude Sahara is located, it is 0 degree to 30 degree north. वहां तक क्या हमारा सहारा डेजर्ट लोकेट हुआ रहता है? सहारा डेजर्ट कौन सी कॉन्टिनेंट में है, इक्वेटर को पास करता है, वो बताया गया है यहाँ पे. देन मोस्ट ऑफ द सहारा डेजर्ट हैज अ वेरिड टोपोग्राफी. टोपोग्राफी जो रहती है वो उसकी वेरिड करती रहती है, मतलब जो क्लाइमेट है, जो टेम्परेचर है उसका, वो चेंज होता रहता है, एक जैसा टेम्परेचर नहीं होता है. अराउंड 25% ऑफ डेजर्ट इज सैंड ड्यून्स. Besides sand, there are plateaus, rocky surface, as well as gravel plain. There are also several mountain ranges within the Sahara, and many are volcanic. Highest peak is Emi Koshi. The Sahara Desert was once a much better place than it is today with the lush green vegetation. पहले के टाइम पे सहारा डेजर्ट बहुत better place होता था, मतलब गीला place होता था जिसका ज्यादा vegetation है. It is believed that animals like crocodiles, elephants, lions, sheep, etc., even fossils of dinosaurs have been recovered from here. ठीक है, बहुत सारे animals यहाँ देखने को मिलते थे, जो dinosaurs है, जो लुप्त हो चुके हैं dinosaurs, उनके भी कुछ हिस्से देखने को इधर मिले थे. Scientists believe that a change in the climatic pattern caused the once fertile region of the Sahara to turn into the desert. The climate of the Sahara Desert. Climate कैसा होता है अब Sahara Desert का? तनुष्का, start reading. Yes, Ashmit.
Yes, ma'am. The climate of the Sahara is very hot. There are no clouds present above the desert and it has a very short rainy season. The climate is so hot that often rainwater is evaporated even before it reaches the ground. The Sahara is also one of the hottest regions in the world. The average annual temperature of the desert is about 30 degrees Celsius, but during the hottest month, temperature can exceed 55 degrees Celsius. Did you know that the highest temperature even recorded 58 degrees Celsius was in Asia?
What is
Area
this?
from
Ashmit, what
Ma'am,
happened?
दीदी
Huh? What happened?
मैम वंदना दीदी हंसी दिलवा रही है. Ever recorded 50 degrees Celsius was in Asia. However, the
Okay,
night are freezing cold and temperature can dip to several degrees below 0 degrees Celsius.
done. So climate of Sahara Desert is not very hot and dry. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म और ड्राई सूखा नहीं होता है जो क्लाइमेट रहता है. There is no cloud present. Clouds नहीं रहते इसलिए वहाँ पे रेन कम होती क्योंकि clouds ही नहीं है तो रेन कहाँ से होगी, है ना. The climate is so hot that often rain water is evaporated even before it reaches the ground. ठीक है, जो climate होता है वहाँ का वो इतना गर्म होता है कि जो रेन वाटर होता है, रेन वाटर is evaporated even जैसे ही रेन वाटर गिरना चालू होता है जमीन में पहुंचने से पहले ही वो क्या हो जाता है, इवापोरेट हो जाता है. इतना वहां पे क्लाइमेट जो है गर्म होता है. सहारा इज वन ऑफ द हॉटेस्ट रीजन इन द वर्ल्ड. सहारा जो डेजर्ट होती है वो एक हॉटेस्ट रीजन है. एवरेज एनुअल टेम्परेचर ऑफ डेजर्ट इज अबाउट 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एनुअल टेम्परेचर क्या होता है, 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. पर हॉटेस्ट जब बहुत हॉट मंथ होता है तब उसका जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो 55 डिग्री सेल्सियस रहता है. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, now it's flora and fauna. Flora and fauna. Flora is flower and fauna is animal, है ना. तो we will study about flora and fauna of Sahara Desert. Tanushka, can you read?
Flora and fauna, we all need to make certain to be able to thrive in such hot and dry climate. Let us see what kind of plants and animals are found in this area and how they are able to survive. The flora of the Sahara Desert includes plants like cactus, artemisia, and acacia. Due to high temperature,
It is
due to high
Escacia.
arid conditions of the Sahara Desert, the plants found are drought and heat resistant. The leaves of some plants like the cactus are modified into spines to minimize water loss. Plants like the African मैम ये क्या लिखा है?
Welwitschia.
Welwitschia possess very long roots that penetrate very deep into the soil and help plants to survive in the hot deserts. In places where there is some water in the oasis, state palms are found, and oasis is a fertile spot having vegetation surrounding a spring or similar water source.
ओके, सो फ्लोरा. फ्लोरा क्या है, जो प्लांट लाइफ होती है उसको फ्लोरा बोलते हैं. फौना इज अ एनिमल लाइफ. तो प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स नीड टू मेक अडेप्टेशन टू बी एबल टू थ्राइव द सच हॉट एंड ड्राई क्लाइमेट. एक अडेप्टेशन उन लोग को बनानी पड़ती ताकि उन लोग इस वेदर में सरवाइव कर पाए, अपने आप को इस चीज में ढाल पाए. Let us see what kind of plants and animal is found. Now we have to see what kind of plants and animals are found here. Flora include cactus. Cactus itself contains water. There is water inside the plant, so cactus can withstand during the hot conditions. Ascasis or artemisia का भी same हाल है. They also have water inside it, so they can withstand their plant in the dry condition in the desert. Due to high temperature, and arid conditions of the Sahara Desert, the plants found are drought and heat resistance. ठीक है, plants जो रहते हैं वो heat resistant रहते हैं, मतलब heat से उन लोगों को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. They can survive through the heat. The leaves of some plants like cactus are modified into spines to minimize water loss. अब cactus plant you have seen that they have very spines na they have spines in their stems or branches. Why they have these spines? So that there is no water loss ना हो सके, गिर ना सके, इसलिए उस कैक्टस के जो डंडे होते हैं उसमें स्पाइंस रहते हैं वाटर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, बिकॉज इट कैक्टस itself contains water in it. Plants like the African welwitschia possess very long roots and penetrate deep inside the soil and help plants to survive the hot desert. In places where there is some water in the oasis, date palms are point. Oasis मतलब जो छोटी सी जगह होती है जहाँ थोड़ा सा पानी होता है, वहाँ पे date palms found होते हैं. An oasis is a fertile spot having vegetation surrounding a spring or similar water resources. Oasis is formed in desert area. The sandstorms and the heavy winds blow the sands, and sometimes the desert sand dips into the level of the underground water. This brings underground water to the surface and creating an oasis. ओएसिस क्या है? एक साइड में डेजर्ट में एक छोटा सा पॉन्ड जैसा रहता है, ठीक है, जो जहां पे आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेशन भी आपको देखने को मिलेगी. क्या होता है जब एक हैवी विंड ब्लो करता है और सैंड्स हट जाते हैं तो नीचे का जो थोड़ा बहुत नीचे जो पानी होता है वो ऊपर आ जाता है. दैट इज नोन एज ओएसिस. दिस ब्रिंग्स अंडरग्राउंड वाटर टू द सरफेस क्रिएटिंग एन ओएसिस, एंड द लोकेशन ऑफ द ओएसिस हैज बीन ऑफ क्रिटिकल इंपॉर्टेंस फॉर ट्रेड एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन रूट्स इन डेजर्ट एरिया. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑल caravans plan their travel route via oasis so that the supply of water and food can be replenished. ठीक है, अभी एक छोटे छोटे oasis हर जगह डेजर्ट में मिलते हैं. It is necessary so that people who travels from one place to another can go through this oasis and can take some water and then go long journey. They can plan the long journey. So this oasis is there in every small spot में, छोटी छोटी जगह पे oasis आपको देखने को मिलेगा. Okay. Yes, Om, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. The fauna of the Sahara Desert comprises animals such as camel, hyenas, jackals, foxes, snakes, lizards, etc. Even in the central and rest part of the deserts, there are around 70 different animal species. The desert animals spend most of the day underground. Animals like rattlesnake, kangaroos, rats, and kit foxes come out in the open only during the night for hunting. These animals meet their water need by eating foods which have high water content like the succulent stems of cactus. Many animals have hairy soles to help them walk on hot land. Camels are known as the sheep of desert because they carry heavy loads from one place to another.
ओके, सो fauna ऑफ द सहारा डेजर्ट क्या क्या रहते हैं? fauna जो रहते हैं, camels तो रहेंगे ही डेजर्ट में. you will find camels anywhere, any of the desert you go, you will see camels there because camels का वो तो home ही है डेजर्ट, है ना. You can see camels there. hyena, jackal, foxes, snakes and lizard, these are other animals you will find in Sahara desert. Even the central and driest part of the desert, there are about 70 different animal species. ठीक है, भले वो driest means सबसे सूखा हुआ स्थान हो, बहुत गर्म स्थान हो, place हो, but then also you will find at least 70 different species of animals there. ठीक है, 70 different species of animals you can see here. Desert animals spend most of the day underground. Okay, most of the time they spend their living underground. Why? Because underground they feel more cold there, है ना, वहाँ ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है, and they can survive underground easily than in the hotter weather. Animals like rattlesnake, kangaroo rats, and kit foxes come out on open only during the night for hunting. ठीक है, these kangaroos and all, they all come out at night and do the hunting, eat their food, and they again go to the underground sleep. So only for hunting and eating only they come out of their burrows. Otherwise, they remain underground only. These animals meet their water needs by eating food and which have high water content. like the squilent stem of cactus. Okay, these animals used to eat the animals who have water in their body or the cactus, so that they do not need to drink water after eating something. ठीक है, खाने के बाद वो पानी ना पिए, बस पानी उनके खाने में ही रहता है, so that they can survive this condition there. Many animals have hairy soles so that so to help them walk on the hot land. ठीक है, hairy soles होते हैं, soles means जो पाँव का नीचे वाला foot part होता है, वहां पे they have some hairs so that they can walk on the hot land, because at there the temperature is too hot that land also becomes like fire. ठीक है, वो fire जैसे गर्म रहता है और हमें चलने के लिए कुछ चाहिए होता है. They do not have sleepers there, so their जो बनावट होती है उन लोगों की ऐसी होती है कि नीचे उन लोगों के पैरों के नीचे हेयर्स रहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो आराम से वॉक कर सकते हैं. Camels are known as sheep of the desert because they carry heavy loads from one place to another. ठीक है, we know that camels are known as sheep of the desert because they carry our loads from one place to another. Now there is a people of the Sahara Desert. We will see now people of the Sahara Desert. It may be seen that no one lives in Sahara Desert due to harsh climate. ठीक है, लगता है ऐसा कि कोई नहीं रहता है कहाँ सहारा डेजर्ट में, क्योंकि उसका क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऐसा है. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. व्हाट इज द पॉपुलेशन? 4 million people live there. Okay, 4 million people live there, and there are various groups of people staying there. There are various groups like Turag, Bedouins, etc. The Turags are the largest group of people who inhabit the Sahara Desert. Okay, they are the largest number of people that live there. They live mostly in Northern Africa, while the Bedouins are the desert-dwelling Arab groups. These groups and tribes are mostly nomads. Okay, what are nomads? Again, the question came. What is nomads? Yes, Om.
Ma'am, nomads are the people who move from one place to another and don't have a permanent settlement.
Very good. Yes, Shraddha.
Ma'am, nomads are people who have to move from one place to another place,
Okay, Ashmit.
Nomads are people who nomads are people who going from one place to another have and then do not have their permanent settlement.
They do not have their permanent set. They move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, है ना? In the search of anything, they used to move from one place to another. They do not have the habit to stay at one places only. Okay. Nomads generally use food items such as rice and dates that can be easily carried as they travel. ठीक है, जब travel करते तो लोग dates and rice carry करते because these are easily to travel. They rear livestock such as camels, sheep, goats, etc. They also depend on some animals for meat wherever required. Okay? They also depend on some animals those whose meat can they eat, so they just live with that animals also. The women folks are very skillful in utilizing every possible item for daily necessity. ठीक है, जो women होती हैं वो बहुत skillful होती हैं, वो हर सामान को कुछ ना किसी तरह से यूज कर लेती हैं और यूज करना उसको जानती हैं ताकि वो उनके काम आ सके. दे प्रोसेस, जैसे कि मिल्क है, बटर बना लिया, उसका एनिमल का स्किन है तो उससे क्लोथ्स, बेल्ट, स्लीपर, बेडिंग्स, बिस्तर बिछाने वाला बना लिया, है ना. सो दे यूज द स्मॉल आइटम्स टू मेक द यूज ऑफ दैट थिंग्स फॉर देयर डेली वर्क. एनिमल हेयर कैन बी यूज टू मेक मैट्स, कारपेट्स, ब्लैंकेट्स एंड रोब्स. एनिमल्स का जो हेयर रहा उसको उन्होंने उसके ब्लैंकेट बना लिए, रोब्स बना लिए. These people wear heavy robes to protect themselves from dust, storms and heavy wind. ठीक है, अभी ये एनिमल के हेयर वाला रोब ये लोग पहन लेते हैं so that they can be protected from the strong and heavy wind, because wind इतना तेज ब्लो करता है कि वो एक पर्सन को भी उड़ा ले जा सकता है. The wind capacity is this much there in the desert, so they used to wear these robes so that they can protect themselves from the heavy wind. जो heavy wind होती है उससे protect कर सके. Dates are fruits of the date palm. Date palm tree require dry weather as well as water to grow. Date palm कहाँ grow करता है? जहाँ dry weather रहता है और water रहता है. Hence they are found near oasis. ठीक है, oasis छोटा सा जगह होता है desert में जहाँ थोड़ा पानी होता है, वहीं पे date palm मिलेंगे और वो dry area भी होता है, hot weather की जगह पे होता है. So there these trees can grow easily. Many varieties of dates are found in Sahara Desert. The wood of the date palm tree is used for various purposes like making roofs of the houses. ठीक है, ये सब रूफ्स हाउसेस के रूफ्स बनाने के लिए डेट पाम ट्री का यूज होता है. hedges of the gardens and to prepare basket etc. The oasis in Sahara Desert and the Nile River Valley supports a significant population. Since water is available here, people have permanent settlement. They are also engaged in farming and grow crops such as rice, wheat, barley, bean. ठीक है, oasis में यहाँ पीपल जो रहते हैं परमानेंट सेटलमेंट में रहते हैं, मतलब हमेशा यही रहते हैं. वहाँ के लोग क्या काम करते हैं? फार्मिंग करते हैं, क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं. ठीक है, पीपल इन द नाइल वैली, जो नाइल वैली नाइल रिवर के पास में रहते हैं, वो कॉटन ग्रो करते हैं. इजिप्शियन कॉटन is the famous of all over the world and many other minerals are also found. बहुत सारे minerals भी यहाँ पे found होते हैं जैसे iron, phosphorus, magnesium and uranium. Okay, so this was all about the hot desert, Sahara desert, है ना. वहाँ के people farming करते हैं, है ना. There is a oasis, a small pond found in the desert through which the people used to travel so that they can get some water from there, है ना. वहां पे स्पेशल प्लांट ओएसिस के पास जो डेट पाम का प्लांट होता है वो ग्रो होता है बिकॉज दैट ट्री रिक्वायर्स वाटर एंड ड्राई क्लाइमेट टू ग्रो. ठीक है, एंड मेनी एनिमल्स अबाउट 70 species of different animals have been found there in desert, in the Sahara desert. 4 million people used to stay there in desert. So this is all about the Sahara desert. Is it clear to everyone about the Sahara desert?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll continue cold desert also. Yes, start reading Om. Cold desert is in the Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh. Ladakh को अपन ने cold desert बोला. और hot desert किसको बोला है? Which is hot desert?
Sahara.
Sahara desert.
Sahara desert.
And cold desert क्या हो गया? Ladakh हो गया. Ladakh is our cold desert and it is here it is told how many the Indus River is most important found there, है ना. In Ladakh, the Indus River is the most important found there, and where it is found and where it is located exactly, that all it is mentioned in this paragraph. Okay. Yes, Tanushka, start reading climate. आई रहती है वहां पे, है ना. समर में उसका टेम्परेचर 27 डिग्री रहता है बट विंटर में -20 डिग्री सेल्सियस में पहुंच जाता है. ठीक है. This make the heat of the sun more intense. It is rightly said that only in Ladakh man can sit in the sun with his feet in the shade, suffer from sunstroke and frostbite at the same time. ठीक है, लद्दाख में ही बोला जाता है कि कोई भी पर्सन सन पे बैठ सकता है पर अपना जो फीट है वो शेड में ही रख सकता है. ठीक है, वहां नहीं रख सकता क्योंकि वहां उसको सनस्ट्रोक हो सकता है, मतलब चक्कर आके गिर सकता है, इतना तेज सन होता है वहां पे, है ना. जब भी समर सीजन रहते हैं वहां बहुत तेज सन होता है, आप वहां खड़े नहीं हो सकते, आप पूरे टैन हो जाओगे और आप सीधे चक्कर खा के आप गिर सकते हो. फर्स्ट बाइट एट द सेम टाइम. वाटर इन सच प्लेसेस इज ऑलवेज स्केयर, मतलब वाटर रिसोर्स जो रहती है बहुत ही मुश्किल से मिलती है इस एरिया में बिकॉज देयर इज हार्डली एनी रेन. कभी कभार वहां पे रेन होती है, हमेशा रेन नहीं होती है. दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, so flora and fauna. Ladakh in spite of the harsh climatic condition has its unique flora and fauna. बहुत यूनिक टाइप के flora and fauna यहाँ पे फाउंड किए जाते हैं.